Hey guys, Tim Allsopp here. Today is Saturday, September 22nd. It's the big day. I'm going to ride from our house here in Huntington Hills, Calgary, Alberta, Canada, all the way out to Ghost Lake. Should be a good ride. It's a nice day. We're expecting a high of 26 degrees Celsius approximately, and I'll share some more with you along the route. You're coming with me. Alright, we'll see you there. Okay, so there we go, first 10 kilometers down, average speed probably about 25 kilometers an hour. You know, this has been a pretty good ride so far. For breakfast I had my bi-shape shake mix with the Pro, and before I left I had a Nutri cookie and a bottle of Go, so got lots of energy for the day. Let's hit the road again. Talk to you later.